Hey everyone, Radiation Tech here. This is my 2024 Kawasaki Eliminator 500. Today it's 20 degrees and gives me the perfect chance to winterize this thing. Okay, so this thing has a 13-liter tank and it's almost full. I use premium fuel. You don't need to, it's not required. So I need to put some fuel stabilizer in it. I'm using this Motormaster fuel stabilizer. Did a bit of math here and looks like I need 45 mil or 1.5 ounces for the 13 liters of gas that I have in the tank. Okay, so to make sure the fuel stabilizer goes through the entire system, I'm just gonna warm up the bike and go for a ride. It's nice out today. So because I don't have stands for the motorcycle, I'm just gonna park it on the piece of carpet there because I don't want any flat spots on the tire because it will be parked in the concrete for like 6-7 months. Okay, so now it's time to lube the chain. I got myself a Castrol lube chain. Just gonna use a rag so I don't make a mess behind the chain and lightly spray it. Okay, now I'm going to move the bike forward and then do the rest. So the battery is placed under the seat, and to take it out, you just need to put the key here and lift the seat up and take it out. To take the battery out, you need to remove this metal bracket that's holding the battery. There are 2 hex bolts, one here and one right here. You need to open that. Alright, take this bolt and the bracket comes out like that. Okay, so using a number 10 socket, I'm gonna open the terminals. So let's disconnect the negative first. There you go. Okay, now the positive. Okay, now with the terminals removed, we'll lift the battery out. Just so I don't lose the terminal bolts, I put them back on the terminals. Keep it safe for now. Let's put the bracket back on. Let's go here. Just hand tighten them for now. It's good, it's not going anywhere. Okay, now let's put the seat back on. Okay, so the last thing to do is put the cover on it and see you in 7 months.